Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Exercise questions. Problem 2.40. In Rutherford's experiment, generally the thin foil of heavy atoms, like gold, platinum, etc., have been used to be bombarded by the alpha particles. If the thin foil of light atoms like aluminium, etc., is used, what difference would be observed from the above results? Solution. Alpha particle are helium-4 2. Gold atomic number equals 79, so 79 protons. In here alpha particle will deflect directly, or on small angles because of presence of more protons, whereas aluminium have atomic number equals 13, so 13 protons. Here protons are less, so less deflection and less observation. Now, in Rutherford's experiment, heavy atoms have heavy nucleus carrying a large amount of positive charge. Therefore, some A particles even got deflected back after hitting the nucleus. Because of large positive charge on the heavy nucleus, some A particles are deflected through small angles which passed closer to the nucleus because of repulsion. However, if lighter atoms are used, their nuclei will be light and they will have small positive charge on the nucleus. As a result, the number of particles deflected back and those deflected through small angles will be very, very small, almost negligible.